Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you case second of question 7th related to NCERT book of accountancy. See the case second of NCERT, question 7th. Case first I explained you yesterday. I am reading out the question. Darshan sold goods for rupees 40,000 to Varun. Okay, here the goods are sold by Darshan to Varun on credit basis. The date of transaction is Jan 8, 2016. Okay. In some books, the date might be different. It might be 2011 or something else, right? But here the date is 2016, Jan 8, right? Now, here the goods are sold by Darshan to Varun on credit basis. For this transaction, the journal entry which is needed to be passed is debtor debit to sales account. In the books of Darshan, when we will be passing the journal entry, then we have to debit the debtor. Here the debtor is Varun, and sales will be credited, indicating one asset, that is debtor, increasing, and the another asset, goods, by the name of sales, is decreasing. Both are the assets, and the rules of debit and credit related to assets is being followed here. Okay, right? Now I am showing you the journal entry in the books of drawer Darshan, that is the seller here in this question. When will be passing the journal entry related to this transaction, the journal entry will be Varun debit to sales account. Varun is the debtor and sales showing the decrease in goods when the goods are sold. Okay. Narration I have written, goods sold to Varun. Okay. Date is 2016, Jan 8. 2016, Jan 8. Okay. Now further reading out the question. And drew upon him a bill of exchange payable after 2 months. Darshan, the seller of the goods, drawn bill of exchange on Varun, and Varun accepted the bill and returned the same to Darshan. Varun, the debtor, accepted the bill. Resultantly, the bill of exchange will become bill payable for Varun and bill receivable for Darshan after acceptance. Right. So here, for Darshan, another asset by the name of bill receivable will increase, but the asset Varun, that is debtor of Darshan, will decrease because its place will be, or his place will be occupied by the another asset, that is bill receivable. Bill receivable account debit to Varun will be the resultant journal entry because of the bill of exchange accepted to be paid by Varun after 2 months duration. Okay. So after the acceptance of bill, the place of Varun, that is debtor, will be occupied by bill receivable. So bill receivable, that is the bill whose payment is to be received in the near future, that is after 2 months plus 3 days of grace by Darshan, this bill receivable as an asset will increase, and whenever an asset increases according to rules of debit and credit is shown on the debit side, and hence we have shown bill receivable on the debit side. But due to this bill receivable which is occupying the place of Varun, the debtor will decrease, and the decrease in debtor, that is asset, as per rules of debit and credit, will be shown on the credit side, and hence we have shown it on the credit side. Now further reading out the question. On the due date, the bill was made by Varun, means the payment was made by Varun on the date which is due after 2 months plus 3 days of grace. Record the necessary journal entries in the books of Darshan and Varun in the following circumstances. The cases are there. The second case is being explained by me. First case I explained you yesterday. When Darshan immediately discounted the bill at the rate of 6% with his bank. Earlier the topic discounting of bills of exchange I have cleared. I have explained to you. What is discounting of bill? Discounting of bill means encashing. When the bill receivable is encashed by the drawer. Here the drawer is Darshan. Darshan is having bill receivable. Bank provides facility to the holder of bill receivable that he or she can anytime get his or her bill discounted with bank, but the discounting charges or say the commission of the bank will be charged, okay, because the payment of the bill will be received by bank in the near future. So for some period, for some duration, bank has to wait for the payment to be received, and thus as its commission, bank discount means just to calculate something lesser than its original amount, okay, just to leave some amount. Here the bill is of rupees 40,000 rupees. At the rate of 6%, the amount is to be discounted, means to be left by Darshan, and the remaining, whatever the balance amount is left after deducting this 6% charge or commission of the bank, whatever balancing amount will be there, it will be handed over to Darshan. See, 40,000 rupees is the amount of bill receivable. At the rate of 6%, the commission or discounting charges will be charged by bank. For how many months? 2 months. Out of 12 months, how many months discounting charges will be charged? 2 months, because the date of the due date of the bill is 2 months. So for 2 months the bank has to wait, and for those days or for 2 months tenure duration, the discounting charges or the charges will be charged by the bank. We will get the amount 400 rupees. This will be the discounting amount, means this amount has to be left by Darshan of his bill receivable with the bank, and this amount 400 is known as discounting charges. Okay, so it's a loss for Darshan. Whenever loss increases, to be shown on the debit side. Okay, so Darshan has to show this discounting charges on the debit side while passing the journal entries. Okay, see it. Bank account debit 40,000 minus 400, the discounting amount. 39,600 will be the amount which will be handed over to Darshan by bank after deducting 400 rupees as discounting charges by bank. Okay, and this bill receivable, the asset of Darshan, will be decreased because this bill receivable will now be handed over to bank. Okay, means the asset bill receivable is decreasing, which was with the seller Darshan. Whenever asset decreases to be shown on the credit side, and hence we are showing bill received on the credit side. Okay, right. So the payment of the bill is received by the drawer. Now no need to wait for the date of maturity by the drawer, because the drawer received the payment. Now the payment of the bill will be received by bank in the future date, that is on the date of maturity. You can count the date of maturity by adding 2 months 3 days of grace. Okay, and on that date the bank will receive the payment and not the drawer. Okay, so these are the journal entries which are needed to be passed in case second. Okay, in the books of drawer Darshan. Now you need to pass the journal entries in the books of drawee, that is Varun, yourself. Just you can take the screenshot of the left hand side solution of the same question and just fare it up. Now take the screenshot of the right hand side portion. Okay, right, take the screenshot. The YouTube video link of the same explanation will be shared by me in the class WhatsApp group. Repeatedly you watch the video, and if there is any query, any problem arises, you can just share your problems on my personal WhatsApp number. I will solve your problems. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.